A local chapter just set up shop in Portland last week, and lead organizer Nick Kane is with us this morning to tell us all about it. Nick, good morning.
Good morning. Thanks so much for having me.
Absolutely. So tell us a little bit about Frontline Foods for people who haven't heard of you yet. This is really cool how this is all working.
Yeah, absolutely. So Frontline Foods Portland is an effort to kind of show appreciation for the incredible work that our healthcare workers are doing during the COVID crisis, and at the same time, channel some much needed support to Portland's incredible restaurant community.
And so
Uh,
how exactly does it work then? People donate to your group and then where does it go from there?
That's right. So people can make tax-deductible donations of any size to Frontline Foods PDX. Our volunteer team basically ensures that 100% of those donations go straight to Portland locally owned restaurants. They prepare food, they package them up individually to make sure it's easy to eat for our healthcare professionals, and then they deliver them straight to hospitals, COVID testing sites across the region.
That's so cool. So you're effectively donating to feed our healthcare workers, but in the process, keeping our local restaurants employed and working.
That's right. Yeah, I think that's a really critical part of the program, and I think something that personally really inspired me. Portland's restaurants and our food scene is something we're so proud of. When I heard about this movement kind of happening across the country, it was actually right at the same time that two things were really happening. One, my wife, who's a nurse here in Portland, her day to day was really starting to change and get more complex and stressful as they thought about how to keep their patients safe. And I also learned that two of my friends who are in the Portland restaurant industry had lost their jobs. And so it kind of clicked as a really a perfect match.
And we know that people can donate to Frontline Foods. How do restaurants get involved? Are there certain qualifications they need to meet to be part of this?
Restaurants can sign up at our website, frontlinepdx.com. And our first criteria is we're looking to work with local businesses, right? We want to make sure that we're channeling support to Portland's own. We're also really trying to prioritize outreach to minority and women-owned businesses. That's important to me, to my co-organizers, Peter Hansen, who started a similar effort last week as well. We've since come together to work as one. And we are working through our long list. We have many restaurants excited to work with us, and we hope if we have enough financial support to reach everybody.
That is so cool. You mentioned your wife is a nurse. So what have you been hearing from healthcare workers? How is their work right now, the job they're doing, and how are they reacting to someone showing up and handing them a meal?
Well, I think the way they're reacting is like everybody, but they have, which is, doing their best to adapt and continue to do their work in as professional and with a level of excellence that they're always committed to. But like everybody else, wondering what's going to happen next, and I think that's really hard. And whether you're directly working with COVID patients or you're, anywhere else in the hospital, your world's kind of been turned upside down by this. And so I think the gesture from the community to say thank you for everything that folks are doing has, I think, been really well received, and people are grateful.
Yeah, and how are you guys, speaking of safety, working with the social distancing guidelines and making sure that, everyone is safely distanced from each other?
Yeah. Excuse me. Well, we have guidelines for our restaurants in terms of how they approach the delivery process. On the kind of safety and preparation side, we're working on with national guidelines from actually our nonprofit partner, World Central Kitchen, that's working with this national movement to provide some support and resources for restaurants. So we've really been relying on their guidance.
Yeah, gosh, World Central Kitchen with Chef Jose Andres. He does some excellent work and I know has jumped in to help in this crisis as
Yes.
well. And we appreciate the work that all of you guys are doing too. Just such a great idea to
Yeah.
help restaurants by helping healthcare workers. I love it. Thanks for what you're doing, Nick. We appreciate your time this morning.